Hey guys, welcome to Tactor's tutorial. In today's video, we'll learn how to create Canva bulk create shorts or bulk create your YouTube shorts. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So if you're not familiar with YouTube Shorts in here, this is a short form video feature on the YouTube platform. So it allows users to create and share a brief video clips, typically lasting up to 60 seconds. So YouTube Short is designed for quick, engaging, and entertaining content. So this is similar to the popular social media platform TikTok. Users can record, edit, and add music to their shorts, making it a fun way to express creativity and connect with a wide audience. So these shorts that we have in here, this actually appear in a dedicated shorts player on the YouTube app, making them easily discoverable by views. And it is a platform for bite-sized, visually appealing content that's become increasingly popular for both content creators and viewers. And for us to be able to get started, we also have another tool that we could use in here so that we could create our YouTube shorts. So we have here Canva. So if you're not familiar also with Canva in here, this is actually a user-friendly online graphics design tool that allows people to create a wide range of visual content from social media graphics and presentations to posters and flyers without needing advanced design skills. So it provides an extensive library of templates, images, and elements, making it easy for anyone to produce professional-looking designs for personal or business use. So Canva offers both free and paid features, making it accessible to individuals, small businesses, and large organizations looking to design eye-catching visuals. So as you can see in here, we have our Canva Pro. So this has more features than a Canva free hat. So as you can see in here, they also offer a free 30-day trial and you could cancel anytime, and they will remind you before your trial ends onto using Canva Pro. So you'll just have to log in using your username and password so that you'll get redirected here onto the dashboard to start creating. But for us to be able to create our YouTube short, we also have another tool in here that will guide us onto our content generation. So we have here ChatGPT. ChatGPT in here will help us generate the written content that we will use in our YouTube shorts. And if you're also not familiar with this platform, it is an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI, and it is designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. So users can interact with ChatGPT by asking questions, seeking information, or even just having conversation with it. So it's used for a wide range of application, from answering queries and providing information to generating content and assisting with tasks like writing, coding, or problem solving. So this is really powerful, but it has also its limitation that you could see onto its website. So you could see different details in here that OpenAI provided for ChatGPT. Now for you to be able to get started in here, you could actually just click on the Try ChatGPT in here to create an account. And if you have an account already, just simply click on to login. Now once you're logged in, you'll get redirected here onto its main page. So there are actually two ChatGPT as of the moment right now. We're currently using the 3.5, which is the fastest model, great for most everyday tasks, which is available also for free and plus users, and the GPT-4, which is the most capable model, great for tasks that requires creativity and advanced reasoning. So this is just available exclusively to plus users, and you need to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus for this to use this platform. And as you can see, there is a send a message button in here. So here onto the bottom, this is where we'll type in the prompt that will guide us onto generating our content. Now as you can see in here, I typed in write 10 inspirational quotes, make sure to include a CTA to engage your audience, and then add an extra column with relevant hashtags. So you could try to use this prompt out, but if you have other ideas or topics in here, you could just simply replace this, or you could just converse with ChatGPT like a normal human, so that once you click this green button, it will go ahead and create those things that you're asking for. So we'll just have to wait for this one to be done so that we could go ahead and try to use this for content generation. Now as you can see in here, ChatGPT already generated us the 10 inspirational quotes that we are asking. So what we'll need to do in here is we're just gonna keep this one out so that we're gonna go ahead and head to Canva to start our creation. So as you can see, this is what Canva's dashboard looks like. You could see the home page in here, some things that you might want to try, create a design from scratch, and some things also here onto the left side, such as the home, the projects, templates, brands, apps, create a team, and your trash. So what we'll need to do is we'll just head here onto this middle part, we'll use the search bar in here to search for templates for our YouTube shorts. So we're going to search in here YouTube shorts, and then as you can see, there are different things in here that we could see. So we're going to go ahead and try to click onto this one so that we'll get redirected onto a page where it has all the YouTube shorts templates. Now as you can see, we have gone ahead and get redirected onto the page wherein we could browse high quality YouTube short video templates for your next design. So as you can see in here, you could choose per category in here. So this is like a filter button in here. So you could try to click onto that, or you could just try to choose in here onto the different templates that it offers. So we'll try to find something in here that would really match our inspirational quotes in here. So we're gonna go ahead and try or search each one of this so that we could go ahead and try to use it. Now in choosing a template, you don't have to worry, since if you'll hover onto it, you'll actually see a quick preview onto the template that you want to use. So you actually have the bookmark option in here to favorite the file, and these three dots that you can see in here, you could customize this template further, preview this, and there is also the title of the template in here. Now once you have decided onto the template, you'll just have to click onto it so that right after, you'll get redirected onto another page. After you've clicked onto the template, you'll get redirected here onto the page wherein you could start designing your YouTube short. So you could actually change the background in here. You could just utilize the tools that you have here onto the left side. You have here the design, so you could choose some templates if you want to add a new one. You could choose from the different elements. You also have the text, brand. You can upload some files that you have. You could also draw onto it, use in some apps, projects, videos, or you could change the background in here, and many more. So you could try to change the animated element, add text boxes for your codes, CTA, and hashtag, and ensure your text is readable and visually appealing. So as you can see in here, we've gonna had a template in here that we could use. So we're just gonna go ahead and try to utilize this whole template in here, and what we'll need to do right after, most importantly, is we're just gonna go ahead and copy the different codes that we have in here. So this is actually will depend on you already. So if you want to add something in there, you could try to do that. Let's try to resize this one out, make it bigger. Also, we could try to move this so that it would look like that. So we could try to add in the hashtags in here. Then we could go ahead and try to paste it back here onto our Canva design. As you can see, it would actually look like this. And since this template already has 4 forms, so you could try to update each form in here. They also has a music already, so you'll just have to click onto the different text and try to edit them. So right after, so that it would create a lot more, you could just simply add a new page, or for it to be easier and has the same template already, you could just duplicate the page in here, try to edit the text in here, copy the one that you have onto ChatGPT, and then paste it here onto Canva. So you could try to do that one, but there is actually another alternative for you to be faster. We actually have the bulk create in here, which is Canva's new feature. So here you could just copy the codes, CTA, and hashtag from ChatGPT and paste them directly to Canva. So what you'll need to do in here is you'll just actually connect the data to your text boxes in your design, and this will automatically create the different YouTube short for you. So this one is actually a pro feature, so you need to upgrade to a pro feature in here to use this one. So right after that, you'll just need to check and adjust the text in each page as needed, and if you have designed elements that can be customized like colors, change them to diversify your YouTube reels. Now right after that, once you have your videos ready already in here, what you'll need to do right after is to download them. So you'll have the share button here onto the upper part, and if you click onto this, there's actually a download button. So if you click onto that, there are actually file types that you could choose for. So the suggested one is MP4 video. We're gonna go ahead and try to click onto that, and if you want to download this pages separately or this videos, you'll just have to click onto this one before clicking onto download. And that's just basically it, and you're now ready to post engaging content to your YouTube shorts. So if you've enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on to our next video.